So today we are going to look at recording and drawing MIDI. So we'll be loading sounds and drawing MIDI into the session view. So we'll just check the metronome up the top left here, which is this little guy here. If you click it, it will go yellow, which means it's on. So if we push play, we can hear that clicking. So it's currently at 112 beats per minute. So if we just change that by typing in 120 and pushing play. Another way to change it is just by holding down the cursor key and dragging it up or down. And another way to change it is by using this tap button here. So if you tap along, it will try and work out the rate at which you're tapping. So obviously the more taps you give it, the better it will be, the better the average. So we'll stop that, put it back at 120. And then we'll just come over into the categories section, into our drum racks, and choose a sound. If you have your own sound in your library, you can choose that as well. So we'll just drag that into the track. And we'll double click on the clip. And then we'll see all the sounds down here in the piano roll. So we've picked the sound that we want, we've loaded it onto the track, we've double clicked on the clip, and we can see in the piano roll here, we have all the sounds, we have the beats per bar. We're currently in 1/8 notes in the bar, so if we change that to quarter notes, just by right clicking and come down to the fixed grid. So we'll start adding in some sounds. There's a couple of ways we can do this. So we can either, or you can preview it by clicking on the piano roll here. So you can just double click it. I'll just add them in here. And you can just push play up here to have a listen. And if we right click again, we'll change it to 1/8 notes. And just have a listen. So you can see that that doesn't sound very good, so we'll just go back and change that. So we're just going to add in some horn breaks in here as well. Let's have a listen to that now. So if we just right click and we'll change it again. So one more in here. And a little bit there. So to change the length of the loop, you can come down here on the left where it says loop, and then it'll have position and length. If you go to length and change that to 2, it will double the size there. So we've got a 2 loop bar. If you hold down the shift key and highlight these, and push Command D, that will duplicate the first loop or the sounds that you've highlighted and put them into the second loop. So with your MIDI controller plugged in and the MIDI overdub button highlighted, and with your record enable on, you can use your MIDI controller to play along with the loops that you have until you find something that you like. So if we push play, and then if you push this little record button, and then that's just written that in there for us down the bottom. You can also adjust the sound of these notes here. So if you highlight it, you can see that it gets highlighted down the bottom here with these little stick figures, and you just hold that down and you can drag it up or down, and you'll see the color change as well. So it will go lighter to show that you've changed the volume of that. And if you highlight all of them, it will adjust the sound of all of those notes. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. Now we can count time and create beats in the session view. Thank you.